it goes on. Kill a pussy nigga with his pantyhose on. The gun is equipped for whatever hand it goes on. To kill a backpack nigga with his jams poured on. Geek ass nigga, dweeb ass nigga, never had a G-pass. Nigga about to ski mask his ass and eat fast. Nigga pull a heat fast and blast and leave that nigga with his seat back nigga. I'm a number one nigga in no time. I've been waiting for a nigga to give me the showtime. In the jungle waiting for you to slip on the oak vine. I'ma do this nigga like I was chewing the pork rind nigga. Eminem couldn't get you to $1 million on the gram. Chris Brown tried nigga failed both times. I done took your page to $1 million in a day. If you ask me nigga, I'm your motherfucking cosign. I'ma hit the pussy ass nigga with a clothesline. I'ma have to catch a nigga slipping in my own time. I just hit the flame on the private ass plane out of Massachusetts. Catch a nigga slipping in this old town. You see what go around, come around and go around. So I got a soul going around like a go around. Let these niggas know I'm not the one to toe the toe around. Singing that nigga, not the one to leave your whole round. I'm about to hit him with the end of the K. Wait till my niggas in heaven, I'm about to send them away. I'm exhausted, I killed this nigga 2 times, 24 hours, man, this shit been a repetitive day. Nigga tell me is it joiner Lucas joiner. I'm the nigga who destroy your coupe deployer. Label drop your who's a lawyer. Buy a contract from them back and be who employer. Oops, is going and who's condoning. Juice and Joan and met your bitch, you two can join it. Try to ask you pussy head nigga who the fuck want smoke. But these light skinned niggas in your crew too spooked to join it. And I'm a nasty nigga, then you can ask these niggas. The shotty done been popping up out of the backseat nigga. I'm about to leave his body bloody like a maxi nigga. I tax these niggas, get at these niggas, attack these niggas. The venom is arachne nigga. I'm about to kill the man and the man that'll back these niggas and blame any man that'll try to dap you niggas and clap any stand fan that'll track you niggas. See your daddy was a musician and never made it. But when you was born nigga, it was you or him. Shattered knowing he would never make it as an artist, and the odds of his life probably be 2 to 1. But I give it to him cause he didn't run. I guess he figured, man, when you look at it in a nutshell, all I got is a failed music career, and my revenge is giving this shit to my son, nigga. I'm a flossy nigga, they try to toss me, nigga.
C'est beau un caillou, si on pas focus dessus.
In the trunk was an awkward nigga that thought he didn't need to have caution with him. A cornball with a Boston fitted. I said, hold on, my nigga, man, that shit crazy. You fucked A-Lex, man, that shit crazy. Nigga said he out here running threesomes with the nigga that's in court dealing with the kid cases. I'ma hit a stain and I hit a bad one. Pull up on a nigga, hold him up for ransom. I got 5 plaques this year, did a whole song and never still don't even have one, nigga. That my little homie, that's a bad one, nigga. Really feel bad for you, it's a sad one, nigga. Oh, your hands steady, maybe you can have one, nigga. Hit me for a hook and maybe get a plaque, young nigga. Shot go out the way, no, I act my nigga. Tomorrow they be talking about you got smack, young nigga from the pack, my nigga. I'm keeping this shit.